Hello, fellow trans lovers. I'm your girl, Lady, bringing you your hottest news. MaMkhize and Andile Mpisane has just gone all out to assist Zola 7, Zola Dlamini, known as Zola 7. After a video of him seems a bit suffering, South Africa has urged and put it all out in Twitter to urge and please all South African celebrities to assist on Zola as he was seen suffering on that video, and MaMkhize took an initiative to help Zola, and we love to see this. And he actually was driving a Bentley. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm out till next time. Love you.
Hashtag find Zola. I'm still kidnapped. But I'm in a Bentley, so I'm not complaining. Yeah, how?
No, but you must press the brake. So guys, Zola said he always wanted to drive a Bentley. So I told you I'm giving him love. Whilst he's kidnapped, I'm still giving him love. So we're gonna take just one small driving yana with Bentley yana, so that it's part of love. You understand? Carry on, guys. Hashtag show Zola love.
Oh, by the way, South Africa, you must all go and fill up your tanks today because tomorrow petrol is going up.
That's okay.
But we're in a Bentley, so.
Guys, I've been telling him today that sometimes I see myself in him. He's such a solid rock. He always think about other people and forget about himself. It's time.
Stop this.
It's
You've been
time.
saying this.
It's time we make him our problem rather than him making all of us his problem.
Listen, I've got Bentley problems. So.
You've got Bentley problems. Come on, let's do this. So guys, he's having a ride on a Bentley.